So this is what your first couple visits look like when you come into the office. So go ahead and come on, follow me. Every time you come in, you're gonna use the restroom first. Once you're done using the restroom, you'll come over here, you come to the iPad or the computer. These are both touch screens. So what you'll do is you'll enter your number in, including the area code, and then you'll hit next. Perfect. You get a green check mark, that's awesome. If there's ever a red X or the screen is red over here, please let whoever is at the front know.
Please proceed to table 1.
So as you heard, it called my name. It's going to tell you what table to go to. It called me to table 1. You can also grab a basket, so that way you can put your belongings in there. Just go ahead and follow me, please. So back here, I have 5 tables. Every table has its own number. It's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And so I got called back to table 1. My basket, I just put it back here on the counter. Every table has its own little countertop. You're always going to look in the top left-hand corner, verify that your name is there. Once you have verified your name is there, you'll use the mouse and click on pin. Remember, these screens are not touch screen. So we're going to use the mouse or the keyboard. Enter your phone number one more time. And that was wrong. Perfect, okay. All right, once we see the purple screen on the left side with the spine, we're set, okay? And so once that's there, you don't have to do anything else with the computers anymore for today, you're done. After that, you'll go face down on the table, nice and relaxed, okay? Make sure you're not too far up or too far down, okay? So shoulders should be right at the top of the point right here, faces in the crevice, hands are on the pads, and then you're gonna relax so that way you get the best adjustment possible. So then, once you're done getting adjusted, typically you'll finish facing up. And so what I want you to do is keep the tummy nice and tight. You're going to use your legs, roll to your side, and then once you get to your side, you use your arms and push into the table, still keeping your tummy tight the entire time. Then you come up, don't worry about the computer, grab your basket, your face crimper, the lever pulls up, pull your paper past your face, drop it down, tear it off, okay? So I have socks on today. I don't need my paper. If you ever come in without socks, we'll use the paper for rehab. Now the table's nice and clean for the next patient, just as it was for you. Now we're gonna head to the vibe area. Over here, there is a shoe rack, so your shoes will come off. And you can put them right there in the shoe rack. Your basket can go right up here on the countertop. And then we're gonna head to whichever vibe you prefer. So when you stand on here, think perfect posture. So chin up, looking outside. If you look outside out there, there's a palm tree out there. That's the easy indication for you to look at right there. So you're gonna look up, chin up, shoulders back, palms facing forward. And so we'll turn it on. So it vibrates. So what the purpose of this machine is to help to strengthen and stabilize the spine so we can help hold the adjustment longer. So once you're done with your 5 minutes, you'll come back over here, put your shoes back on. You can leave your basket there for now, or you can bring it around with you. So what we'll do next is the wobble exercises. So you can do your wobbles after your adjustments. Choose whichever wobble seat you like. Keep the wobble up at the edge of the seat. And then a couple of the exercises, we're bending side to side. Make sure you're curving your spine like a letter C. And then we have our front to back. Arms are rotating back and forth with this as well. And then also the rotating one. And your head will follow this as well. And then once you're done doing this, we'll head up to the front. Make sure you always head up to the front. Make sure you don't leave our office without having a follow-up appointment, okay? So we'll always come to this side of the desk. You can always see what days we're available, our time schedule. You'll also see what workshop is coming up next. Verify with the front person at the desk when your next appointment is.